How to update mobile number in HDFC account. First of all, visit the official HDFC Bank website at www.hdfcbank.com and log into your net banking account using your customer ID and password. Once logged in, go to the customer support or profile settings section in your dashboard. Next, select the option for update contact details or change mobile number. You will be asked to enter your new mobile number and verify it through an OTP sent to that number. After entering the OTP, confirm the update request. In some cases, you may need to visit the nearest HDFC Bank branch with valid ID proof and a filled mobile number update form if online update is not allowed. Once your request is processed, you will receive a confirmation message on your updated mobile number. And that's it. Now you know how to update your mobile number in your HDFC Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.